Burn, burn, burn them. Burn, burn, burn. We're going to the 99 store for squishy hunting. If they have any squishies. So yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes.
Oh, look at his little boo-boos in it.
La boo boo, la boo boo.
Oh, look. Look.
Guys, we found a dupe. Oh my goodness. Oh, kind of like. I gotta get it. The yellow one, they have these. Ooh, it's so sticky. They also have some like rubber duck thingies. Oh, that was loud. Gonna get one of these. Also, dang it, they don't have any more sand. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get this. We got like some other stuff. I can't believe we've actually found a dupe. I love dupes because I can't afford the real one. Yeah, I feel like I should get the yellow one if I have. Are those fishes? They're alive. Oh wow, it's amazing.
It's $29.26 on the card.
Yeah.
And you know what's so crazy?
Yes. We did a successful trip. We're gonna show you.
Hold on. Can you put it in there? You better put it in there. Okay. Look.
A kitty. So
How cute is that?
Yes.
Right?
We are walking back. Currently celebrating. This is the most successful trip I've ever made in my life. By the way, when I get home, I will do like an unboxing sort of thing or whatever to show you guys what I got. If you guys don't remember, like, I'll too lazy to go back. But yeah, bye.